What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today we have an early look at the Jordan 4 Winter. You got a Jordan 4 box with the red Jumpman, white flight, elephant print at the bottom, and we have the Air Jordan 4 Retro Winter, Loyal Blue, black, white. Alright, so we got the Air Jordan 4 Winter. In the bottom, you got that gray, white, and red bottom. You got the white in the middle with the red Jumpman. You got the gray outsole with the black and white midsole, clear air unit. Towards the back, you have that blue pull tab with the black Jumpman. You got the black lace holders right here with the gray waffle lace holder, gray in the front. And then the mesh is like rubberized, and I don't think it's breathable. I don't know if y'all can see up close. I don't think it's breathable. Also the same on the tongue, going up the tongue. Then you have the rubber on the tongue. You got that blue tab right here with the black Jumpman and like an infrared flight. You got a fleece sock liner, an infrared on the behind the tongue, blue tab, red Air Jordan upside down. Then you have the same fleece sock liner in black, red Jumpman on the insole, and the insole is also a black fleece. So it's a nice fleece line padded material for the winter. These are pretty dope. This is the closest you're going to get to the Eminem 4s. I'm going to show y'all what the Eminem 4s look like. I like these. I like the fleece lining. These didn't come with a hang tag or extra laces. I think that they should have came with like maybe like wax black lace or something like that. But the hang tag is not a big deal. But these didn't come with a hang tag though. So if y'all get early pairs, they don't come with a hang tag. They just come regular, just like this, because I guess because of the winter theme. So y'all feeling these or y'all not feeling these? These are really similar to the Eminem 4s. They should have just like do a limited run of the Eminem 4s instead of doing something so similar. I think they should have made the pull tab the same material as the upper of the shoe. Like I don't know what's this. It's like you could feel the wrinkles and the roughness on it. It's not waterproof, it's water repellent. But the back tab, I feel like they should have made the same material as the upper of the shoe. So you don't get this hard plastic on the back, which eventually will break off right here if you keep pulling it back. And so the upper of the material is pretty nice. It's like a dry leather. It's not polished or painted or suede. I can't really explain it. It's similar to those it's similar to the Ferrari, the yellow Ferrari 14. You got that same feel, that dry leather feel. Matter of fact, let me grab those real quick and show you what I'm talking about. All right, so let me show y'all the material. So the material is just the same. It's like a dry leather, almost feeling like suede. The same material on this, the same type of material. Y'all can see up close. Probably harder to see on the yellow, but it's the same type of material. they use on these. So let me know what y'all think about these Winterize 4. If y'all gonna grab these. I think they're released officially on the 21st. They pushed the date back to the 21st of December. Let me know in the comments if y'all feeling these or not, if y'all gonna cop, if y'all gonna pass. The craftsmanship on these is pretty good. There's no like major glue stain or nothing like that. And no loose thread. Nothing is. The quality on these is good. So like the video, hit that subscribe button. Only take 1 second to hit that subscribe button. And stay tuned for the next video.
Perfect.